Like, do it again.
She's a mixture of all things. A little bit of Sprague, a little bit of Cabot, a little bit of this and that. And this is Nicholas, he's a high priest, and we're the guardian. And he's very magical, a great reader as well. Myself, I'm sort of a combination. Cabot, I'm Cabot raised. That's like Auntie Cabot to me. And my mother and my grandmother passed me many recipes that I still use today. So we're going to do a little bit of each tradition so that you guys get to see how, like, witches have different things that they do too in different ways. But guess what? All three of us do things with a little order. Where you going?
I want to see you.
Oh, good, okay. We're going to start the circle. Once we start the circle, we can't break the circle. I'm going to cast it, and what we're going to do is raise the energy for love and light for all of us, for love and light for all the abused animals. And I am going to do a little justice spell, but it's very light compared to what I would really do by myself. And now, to the north. I cast the circle, and I ask for sacred space, and I neutralize all incorrect energies in our sacred space. And now I charge the circle with the most correct energy from the universe and the goddess and God above. So mote it be.
So mote it be.
It is done. And now Nicholas is going to call in the quarters.
Ancient and mighty ones, hear me and heed me. Look now upon us and guide us in our rights. Hail and be welcomed.
Hail and be welcomed.
Ancient and mighty ones, hear me and heed me. Look now upon us and guide us in our rights. Hail and be welcomed.
Hail and be welcomed.
Ancient and mighty ones, hear me and heed me. Look now upon us and guide us in our rights. Hail and be welcome.
Hail and be welcome.
Ancient and mighty ones, hear me and heed me. Look now upon us and guide us in our rights. Hail and be welcome.
Hail and be welcomed.
But first of all, I'm using a familiar. I'm going to explain to you what a familiar is, so we all know. A familiar is sent from above to below to show us humans how to love. And that's what we call our animals here on Earth. So every time you do something kind for an animal, you will feel better, and your karma will be better, and your energy will be better. And so I only ask that you help either a child or an animal, and you will feel so much happier in your life. At this time, for some of my Christian friends who are here today, I call in St. Francis, and I ask St. Francis and Hakati and Freya to please bless all the animals, the abused animals, your animals, our rescuers, please protect them always wherever they go and whoever they may see and might meet. And I raise the energy from the earth to the middle of this circle. And I ask the God and Goddess to bless these animals and to reward all of you who are kind to animals. So mote it be.
So mote it be.
And the one last thing we're going to do is a little sad story. We have a horrible animal abuser by the name of Jason Gently, who killed 2 beautiful dogs for no reason. Then he killed 2 more because he wasn't aggressive enough. And I told everybody the day those dogs died that I believed it was him. That was 2 years ago. But I was able to get in touch with the right people who kept an eye out, and it turned out to be him. They don't call me the law of life or nothing. So now, at this time, this is for Mr. Jason. And this is just a little bit of what I have in store for him. Let's start. 1, 2, 3.
Justice fall on Jason's head by the dogs that now are dead. By these words that we have said, prison is Jason's final bed. Justice fall on Jason's head by the dogs that now are dead. By these words that we have said, prison is Jason's final bed. One more time. Justice fall on Jason's head by the dogs that now are dead. By these words that we have said, prison is Jason's final bed. So mote it be.
Let Lady Justice take care of him in a good way while he visits. Someone to love and to have love with animals and children and the very best for all. And thank everybody for coming because you are our heroes. You are Salem Saves Animals. Donation will go to good cause tonight. It will be donated to, of course, our fire person and hero John and Carol the cat lady. And with that, I thank you very much. We must release the circle before we can leave them. And at this time, we thank all the God and Goddesses for coming in here in our pleas and asking for blessings. And we release the circle. The circle is now open, but it is never broken. And the magic stays with each and every one of us. And now I'm going to have you release the harness, please.
We release the spirits of the East. Hail and farewell.
Hail and farewell.
We release the spirits of the South. Hail and farewell.
Hail and farewell.
We release the spirits of the West. Hail and farewell.
Hail and farewell.
We release the spirits of the North. Hail and farewell.
Hail and farewell.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.